It's nothing but just screw. I know. Hi guys. Oh hi. My friend is getting a heart attack about me. What? Why? Because I cannot fly. What? That's just so easy. You have to fly. Just open your wings.
So you say this like another birds are flying.
You see? I'm flying. Wee.
Hey, Nana.
Whoa, whoa, whoa to the sky.
Hey,
Now you do it. No. Okay, fine. I will do it. You don't have to scream out. I don't know how to do it. I'm just a kid. Do it. Okay, fine. I will do it. What? Ow. You see what you did? It wasn't my fault. He told me to do it. If you gotta jump off the roof. If he tells you to jump off the roof, then are you gonna do it? No. Then why did you say yes to him? I mean, I'm just a little kid. I don't know better. Do it again. Fine. Ouch! I got hurt. You or... Okay. Are you okay? Yes. Please. I got hurt in my leg. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Now they fixed my leg. You have a bruise? Yeah. I don't know why your friend hit me though. He hit you because you told me to do the thing. Oh, so he hit me by that? Get away. You're not even a bird anyways. Ah! Okay. Now, are you okay? Yeah, I hit him because he did that. I'll show you how to fly. It's so easy. You talk like my butter. My butter. I know. Okay. And we got the same voice. Wow. You look so beautiful. Okay, can I get you? Can I? Ouch! Okay, you know what? There's 8/7 of the roof. Oh yeah, right? Okay, fine. I will fly. Gigi. There's a kid there, so you wouldn't fit. Whoa! Before I fly, like you guys, what? I'm time scared. What? It's so beautiful. How you don't fly and you're just a kid? Kids can fly too, but not people. I'm talking about birds, okay? Know my birds. Know what birds? Yeah. Okay, then I will go. Okay, I'm good. You hurt your nose, right? You mean my beak? My beak looks like a nose to you? Okay, it's not a nose. You gonna go to the hospital? No, it's just wet, okay? Okay. Okay, I will show you how to fly. No, baby, tell him how to fly. No, you are a weird bird. I know. I got it. 1, 2, 3. Whatever. So you know see? Okay, teach me how to fly right now. It's so easy. Why just fly? I'll tell you that. Oh, hi, Ents. Hi. Okay, I got distracted, but fly like where Falcon did. Okay, I will fly like.
Well, I'm a bird. I'll show you how to fly.
No, I know how to fly already. Wee, I'm touching. Wait, I'm flying now. You flying? Yes. I got hurt. Oh, good. You want me to take you to the hospital? No, there's water. I still don't know how to fly. You just got hurt a million times. You got hurt like 3 times. I'm still okay, alright? You're just a kid. Stop flying and just listen to me. Oh, I will teach you how to fly, okay? You will teach you how to fly? Yes. Do not listen to the girl. He's gonna listen to me. How about if it just blow your butt in the window? Ah! How does that feel? Please, I'm trying to listen to you. You're not gonna listen to me. What is her problem? I don't know, Mom. I don't know either, but come over here. I'm gonna make you cake. Okay! Okay. Well. Okay. Wait, you gonna teach me how to fly? Talk! Say yes! Before I hit myself in the wall again. 3 times. 3 times. Just 3 times. 3 times. 3 times before I think. 3. So say yes. What? I was about to talk. Just hold on. Okay. There's nothing but just faith. So talk. Okay, fine. I will tell you how to talk. Let's go. Okay. I mean, you're not even saying stuff correctly. I said to fly. Okay, I will help you fly. Okay? I'm gonna fly with you. Whee! This is how to fly. I'm just 2 years old. I don't know how I could do that. Oh. But you know how to fight? You're just a 2-year-old. I am. Birds are just weird. Right? Yeah, birds are weird. Okay, I think I got this.
I want to read this book now.
I'm flying, everyone. Wow, good job. But you still hit the wire plug. The wire what? Plug? I fell down how to fly. I keep hearing I don't know how to just fly. I will go